Hello, I'm Dr. K. Misra. This is our classes, and I'm going to discuss about multiple choice questions on operations research part 8. I have compiled this video tutorial in view of your examinations to be held very soon. This video tutorial is not only useful for UG but also even PG students, those who are to write their final semester's examinations in operations research or quantitative techniques for managers like subjects, because this subject carries very many such names. By the way, come to the questions. Question number 1. One disadvantage of using northwest corner rule to find initial solution to the transportation problem is that options are A. It is complicated to use. B. It does not take into account cost of transportation. C. It leads to degenerate initial solution. D. All of the above. Correct option is B. Does not take into account cost of transportation. Number 2. The solution to a transportation problem with m rows and n columns destination is feasible if the number of positive allocations are. Correct option is C. M plus n minus 1. Question number 3. If an opportunity cost value is used for an unused cell to test optimality, it should be. Options are A. Equal to 0, B. Most negative number, C. Most positive number, D. Any value. Correct option is B. Most negative. Question number 4. During an iteration, while moving from one solution to the next, degeneracy may occur when A. The closed path indicates a diagonal move. B. Two or more occupied cells are on the closed path but neither of them represents a corner of the path. C. Two or more occupied cells on the closed path with minus sign are tied for lowest circled value. D. Either of the above. Correct option is C. Two or more occupied cells on the closed path with minus sign are tied for lowest circled value. 5. The large negative opportunity cost value in an unused cell in a transportation table is chosen to improve the current solution because correct option is A. It represents per unit cost reduction. 6. The smallest quantity is chosen at the corners of the closed path with the negative sign to be assigned at unused cell because A. It improves the total cost, B. It does not disturb rim conditions, C. It ensures feasible solution, D. All of the above. Correct option is C. It ensures feasible solution. Question number 7. When total supply is equal to total demand in a transportation problem, the problem is said to be balanced problem. So A is correct. 8. Which of the following methods is used to verify the optimality of the current solution of the transportation problem? A. Least cost method, B. Vogel's approximation method, C. Modified distribution method, D. All of the above. Correct option is C. Modified distribution method. 9. The degeneracy in transportation problem indicates that A. Dummy allocations need to be added, B. The problem has no feasible solution, C. The multiple optimal solution exists, D. A and B and not C. Correct option is C. The multiple optimal solution exists. Question number 10. The only restriction we place on the initial solution of a transportation problem is that we must have non-zero quantities in the majority of the boxes. Here, options are A. All constraints must be satisfied. B. Demand must equal supply. C. We must have a number equal to the number of rows plus the number of columns minus 1. Of boxes which contain non-zero quantities, D. None of the above. Correct option is A. All constraints must be satisfied. 11. In a transportation problem, when the number of occupied cells is less than the number of rows plus the number of columns minus 1, we say that the solution is. Correct option is E. Degenerate. 12. The initial solution of a transportation problem can be obtained by applying any known method. However, the only condition is that A. The solution of be optimal, B. The rim conditions are satisfied, C. The solution not be degenerate, D. All of the above. Correct option is B. The rim conditions satisfied. 13. The dummy source or destination in transportation problem is added to A. Satisfy rim condition, B. Prevent solution from becoming degenerate, C. ensure that total cost does not exceed a limit. D. All of the above. Correct option is A. Satisfy rim conditions. 14. The occurrence of degeneracy while solving a transportation problem means that, correct option is B, the solution so obtained is not feasible. 15. An alternative optimal solution to a minimization transportation problem exists whenever opportunity cost corresponding to unused routes of transportation is, correct option is B, positive with at least 1 equal to 0. 16. One disadvantage of using northwest corner rule to find initial solution to the transportation problem is that, correct option is B, it does not take into account the cost of transportation. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to others. Let me tell you that this is part 8. Now, prior to it, other video tutorials up from 1 to 7 have already been uploaded for your help. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.